Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Illustrator tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to edit your artboard in Illustrator. Maybe you want to expand the artboard or you want to reduce the size of the artboard in Illustrator. Let me show you how. Go to the top right here in your plain document. Go ahead and click on File. Then come down below right here. Go ahead and click on Document Setup. Then this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to Edit Artboard. Then here you go. Now you can decide to expand or reduce the size of the artboard. Let's say, for instance, you want to expand the size of the artboard. You can drag from any point right here. So for instance, I'm going to drag from the bottom right here. So I can decide to expand the size of the artboard right here. So once you are satisfied with it, go ahead and click on this move to right here, selection tool, and it's going to give you the current setting of the artboard right here, just like so. Now you have the artboard more increasingly. So if you want to reduce the size of the artboard, next thing you want to do is to go back to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. Then come down to Document Setup right here. Click on that. Then here you go. Go ahead and click on Edit Artboard right here. That's going to take you right here. So you can resize the artboard to another size of your choice. Let's say, for instance, I need something like this. So the more you resize, the more it's going to give you the size, just like what you see from the top right here. This one width here is 5 by 6 as 5.6 by 12.99 inch. So if this is exactly what you need, just release the mouse, then you have it right here. Then double tap on the artboard and go back to your quick selection tool right here, and double tap the outside of the artboard right here, and boom, it takes you back right there. Then you have your artboard resizing. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Illustrator software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.